I've been sailing with Norwegian Cruise Line for over 15 years, and the Norwegian Dawn holds a special place in my heart. This ship has been quietly delivering exceptional cruise experiences since 2002, and after multiple sailings aboard her, I can tell you she's one of those hidden gems that doesn't get nearly enough attention. Let me start with something that might surprise you about the Dawn. While newer ships grab headlines with their flashy gimmicks, this vessel has perfected the art of comfortable cruising without all the bells and whistles that, frankly, most of us don't need anyway. The Norwegian Dawn spans 14 decks and accommodates just over 2,000 passengers. What I love about her size is that she's large enough to offer variety but small enough that you won't feel lost in a floating city. You can actually learn your way around in a day or two, unlike some of these massive newer ships where you need GPS just to find your cabin. When it comes to accommodations, the Dawn offers something for every budget and preference. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for their category, measuring about 142 square feet. These rooms might not have windows, but they're perfectly comfortable and feature everything you need, including a private bathroom, storage space, and Norwegian's signature comfortable bedding. The oceanview staterooms bump you up to around 161 square feet and give you that precious porthole to the outside world. Trust me, having natural light makes a bigger difference than you might think, especially on longer sailings. These rooms are perfect if you want to save money but still enjoy some connection to the ocean. For those ready to splurge a little, the balcony staterooms are where the magic happens. At roughly 205 square feet including the balcony, these rooms transform your cruise experience. There's nothing quite like having your morning coffee on your private balcony while watching the sunrise over the Caribbean. The suites on Norwegian Dawn are genuinely impressive. The garden villas are the crown jewel, offering over 4,000 square feet of living space with private gardens, hot tubs, and butler service. These aren't just rooms, they're floating apartments. The courtyard villas provide a more modest but still luxurious option with around 572 square feet and access to a private courtyard area. What sets the Dawn apart is how well designed even the standard staterooms are. Norwegian clearly learned from years of passenger feedback when designing these spaces. The storage is thoughtful, the bathrooms are functional, and the beds are genuinely comfortable. I've slept better on this ship than in some 5-star hotels. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, that's half the reason we cruise. The Norwegian Dawn doesn't disappoint in this department. The main dining rooms, Aqua and Impressions, serve solid American and international cuisine with rotating menus that actually change throughout your cruise. The food quality is consistently good, and the service is attentive without being overbearing. Cagney Steakhouse is where you go when you want to treat yourself. This specialty restaurant serves prime cuts that rival any high-end steakhouse on land. Yes, there's an additional charge, but the quality justifies every penny. The lobster tail and filet mignon combination is absolutely worth the splurge. Le Bistro offers French cuisine in an intimate setting that feels genuinely romantic. The escargot is surprisingly authentic, and their wine selection complements the menu perfectly. It's the kind of place where you linger over dinner and actually have real conversations. For casual dining, the Garden Cafe buffet covers all the basics and then some. The selection is extensive, from fresh salads to comfort foods, and they do a particularly good job with their international stations. The pizza counter serves surprisingly decent slices throughout the day, perfect for those poolside lunch moments. The specialty dining venues each bring something unique to the table. Moderno Churrascaria delivers the full Brazilian steakhouse experience, with servers bringing endless cuts of meat directly to your table. It's theatrical, delicious, and definitely an experience worth having at least once. What I appreciate about dining on the Dawn is the variety without overwhelming choice. You're not faced with 20 different restaurants like on some newer ships. Instead, you get quality options that each serve their purpose well. The casual venues are genuinely casual, and the specialty restaurants feel special without being pretentious. The beverage program deserves mention too. The bars throughout the ship pour generous drinks with quality spirits. The wine selection in the specialty restaurants is thoughtfully curated, and the bartenders actually know how to make classic cocktails properly. The beverage packages offer good value if you plan to drink regularly. Pool areas on cruise ships can make or break the daytime experience, and the Dawn gets this right. The main pool area strikes the perfect balance between lively and relaxing. The pool itself is a good size for the ship, and there are plenty of lounge chairs that don't require military precision timing to secure. The adults-only area provides a genuine escape from the family chaos that can sometimes overwhelm main pool areas. This space feels more sophisticated and peaceful, perfect for reading a book or taking an afternoon nap in the sun. The hot tubs here are particularly well maintained and offer great ocean views. What impressed me most about the pool areas is how well they are designed for different types of cruisers. Families have plenty of space near the main pool, while couples and solo travelers can find quieter spots without feeling excluded from the action. The pool deck never feels overcrowded, even on sea days when everyone's looking for outdoor space. The sun deck areas extend beyond just the pools. There are multiple levels where you can find your perfect spot, whether you want full sun, partial shade, or protection from the wind. The deck chairs are comfortable and well maintained, and there are always towels available when you need them. Activities aboard the Norwegian Dawn cater to virtually every interest level. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. It's not the largest gym you'll find at sea, but it's perfectly adequate for maintaining your routine during vacation. The sports deck includes a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, perfect for working up a sweat or joining pickup games with other passengers. The jogging track circles the ship and offers great ocean views while you get your exercise. It's properly marked for distance so you can actually track your workouts. Entertainment shows on the Dawn consistently deliver quality performances. The theater productions are professionally done with talented performers, elaborate costumes, and impressive staging. These aren't community theater productions, they're genuinely entertaining shows that rival what you'd find in many land-based venues. The casino offers all the standard games you'd expect, from slot machines to table games like blackjack and poker. The space is well designed with good lighting and comfortable seating. The dealers are professional and friendly, making it enjoyable whether you're a serious gambler or just looking for some casual fun. Daily activities range from trivia contests and dance classes to cooking demonstrations and art auctions. The activities staff does an excellent job of creating programming that appeals to different age groups and interests without being pushy or overly enthusiastic in that cruise ship way that can feel forced. The spa and wellness facilities aboard the Norwegian Dawn provide a genuine sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of cruise life. The Mandara Spa offers a full range of treatments from basic massages to elaborate couples packages. The treatment rooms are well appointed and peaceful, and the therapists are skilled professionals who know their craft. The thermal suite available for an additional fee includes saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers that provide the perfect way to relax between treatments or just unwind after busy port days. The space is designed to promote relaxation and actually succeeds in creating a zen-like atmosphere despite being on a ship full of people. Fitness classes include everything from yoga and pilates to more energetic options like spin classes and aerobics. The instructors are knowledgeable and accommodating to different fitness levels. The yoga classes on deck during sea days are particularly popular and offer a unique way to connect with the ocean environment. The wellness programs extend beyond just spa treatments and fitness classes. The ship offers seminars on healthy living, nutrition workshops, and even meditation sessions. These programs add value for passengers looking to return from vacation feeling refreshed rather than exhausted. For families traveling with children, the Norwegian Dawn provides excellent facilities and programming. The Kids Crew program caters to different age groups with activities designed specifically for their developmental stages and interests. The spaces are colorful, engaging, and most importantly, safe and well supervised. The teen area provides a space where older kids can hang out without feeling like they're in a children's program. It's designed with video games, movies, and activities that appeal to that challenging teenage demographic. The youth staff understands how to engage kids and teens without being overbearing. Family-friendly amenities extend throughout the ship. The pools have areas suitable for children, dining venues offer kid-friendly options, and many activities are designed to bring families together. The ship strikes a good balance between providing family entertainment and maintaining adult spaces. Childcare services are available for parents who want some adult time during their vacation. The staff is trained and experienced, and the facilities are designed with safety and entertainment in mind. It's a service that can transform a family vacation by giving parents the flexibility to enjoy some cruise amenities on their own. The Norwegian Dawn sails to some genuinely spectacular destinations, with itineraries that showcase the best of the Caribbean, Bermuda, and seasonal routes to New England and Canada. The Caribbean routes typically include stops at private islands, historic ports, and beach destinations that offer something for every type of traveler. Shore excursions range from adventurous activities like snorkeling and ziplining to cultural experiences like historical tours and local craft workshops. The variety ensures that whether you're seeking adrenaline or education, you'll find options that appeal to you. The excursion staff provides clear information about difficulty levels and what to expect. What sets the Dawn's itineraries apart is the thoughtful port selection and timing. You typically have enough time in each destination to actually experience it rather than just rushing through a checklist of tourist attractions. The ports are chosen to provide variety throughout the cruise, balancing relaxation with exploration. The ship size allows access to some smaller ports that the megaship simply can't reach. This opens up opportunities to visit less crowded destinations where you can have more authentic local experiences. It's one of the underappreciated advantages of sailing on a ship like the Dawn rather than the newest floating cities. In terms of overall experience, the Norwegian Dawn delivers exactly what a cruise should provide: relaxation, variety, and value. The ship feels substantial and well-maintained without being overwhelming. The staff consistently provides friendly, professional service that enhances rather than intrudes on your vacation experience. Areas where the ship shows its age are minor and mostly cosmetic. Some public spaces could use refreshing, and a few amenities feel dated compared to brand new ships. However, these issues are far outweighed by the ship's proven track record of delivering satisfying cruise experiences. The passenger mix tends to be diverse in age and background, creating a pleasant social atmosphere without any particular demographic dominating the experience. You'll find families, couples, solo travelers, and groups all enjoying the ship's offerings without conflict or overcrowding. Value is where the Norwegian Dawn truly shines. You get the full cruise experience without paying premium prices for features you might not actually use. The ship proves that newer isn't always better when it comes to cruise vacations. What makes the Norwegian Dawn unique is its perfect balance of size, amenities, and atmosphere. She's large enough to offer variety but intimate enough to feel personal. The ship has character that comes from years of successful operations and refinement based on passenger feedback. The garden villas represent one of the most unique accommodation options at sea. These aren't just suites, they're private residences with outdoor space that rivals high-end resorts. The level of service and privacy they provide is unmatched in the cruise industry. Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept is perfectly executed on the Dawn. You can dress up or dress down, eat when you want, and participate in as many or as few activities as appeal to you. The ship supports whatever kind of vacation experience you're seeking without judgment or pressure. The Dawn's intimate size creates opportunities for genuine connections with both staff and fellow passengers that simply aren't possible on massive ships. You'll recognize faces, remember names, and actually form relationships during your cruise. For business travelers or groups planning events, the Norwegian Dawn offers meeting facilities and event spaces that can accommodate various needs. The conference rooms are equipped with modern technology and can be configured for different types of gatherings. The business center provides internet access, printing services, and other essential business amenities. Private event spaces can be reserved for special celebrations, corporate functions, or group gatherings. The event planning staff works with organizers to ensure successful events, whether they're intimate celebrations or larger corporate meetings. The ship size makes it ideal for groups that want to feel like they have the ship to themselves without actually chartering the entire vessel. Guest experiences aboard the Norwegian Dawn consistently highlight the personal attention and memorable moments that staff create. Passengers regularly share stories of crew members going above and beyond to make special occasions memorable, from surprise cabin decorations for anniversaries to helping arrange unique shore excursion experiences. The ship size allows staff to remember regular passengers and their preferences, creating a level of personalized service that's increasingly rare in today's cruise industry. Bartenders remember your drink orders, dining room staff know your seating preferences, and housekeeping staff pay attention to the little details that make your cabin feel like home. Many passengers return to the Dawn specifically because of relationships they've built with crew members and the consistent quality of service they receive. This creates a community feeling that extends beyond individual cruises and makes each sailing feel like a reunion with old friends. The Norwegian Dawn represents cruise vacations at their best, comfortable, varied, and genuinely relaxing without unnecessary complications or gimmicks. She's a ship that understands what passengers actually want and delivers it consistently, cruise after cruise.